All right. So that's a wrap. I had my 5 scrambled eggs, and I'm gonna have some grapes. Grapes are gonna be for the trip to go to Hoi An. This afternoon, 4 o'clock, we're gonna go to Hoi An. Look how beautiful it is out today. Right down there, diagonally, you can see some lights. That's the Wind Cafe, which is actually really nice. It's a koi pond and everything, so it's pretty decent. Just had the room made up, so it looks really cool. Everything looks good, so great spot. All right, signing off. Live with passion. Signing off.